So I just got the Canon EOS R7. I'm excited. Let's unbox. Okay, as I struggle to get this thing out of the box, this is the box for the Canon EOS R7. I'm gonna open up these flaps. Oh, there's some instructions. Some more instructions. I'll read those later. Yo, a wonderful LPE6 charger. Let's go. The LPE6 battery. That looks nice. Some more instructions. Manual, I guess. And this is the strap. Wonderful compartment. And here it is, the Canon EOS R7. Let's take it out of its covering. Man, this is nice. This is really nice. It feels great in the hand, great body. It's actually weighted. Compared to my M50, this is a monster. All right, so now let's tell the story of why it took so long for me to get this. Automatically, I ordered this from Amazon. Ordered this from Amazon because I've ordered this from Amazon. I've also ordered my 77D from Amazon. I've ordered a lot of things from Amazon and haven't had any problems. Amazon has been doing this thing to where now if it's a high profile purchase, they want you to say a one-time password, or if you're not going to be able to say it, they won't deliver it until you're there personally. That's cool. Security reasons, I get it. So I was making sure that I was at the house, was about to give the one-time code, said it was 10 stops away from me, and they completely went out of my neighborhood. What? Bruh. So I'm already kind of like panicking and freaking out because this is a huge purchase. So I give them a call. They said it should be at my house. He still had a couple more stops. Cool, I get that. No pressure. Then the next day hits and it's still not at my house. I give them a call and they're giving me the runaround. They're basically telling me that, hey, it's undeliverable. It either got damaged in the process, somebody stole it, so on and so forth. We're gonna give you your money back, but it has to go to our return center first because it was damaged, and then you can get your money back. It's gonna be within 14 business days. Bruh, that's 2 weeks. So anyway, 2 weeks hit and I give them a call. I said, yo, y'all said 14 days. This is day 14. I still haven't seen my refund. They were like, oh, we sent you an incident report. Okay, I filled out the incident report and I still didn't see it. So then I'm calling like, yo, what's going on? You said you were gonna give me my money back. And then they were finally like, okay, filled it out correctly. We're gonna put it into the system and then you'll get your refund within 1 to 2 business days. Cool. But was I going to order from Amazon again? Wrongo. I decided that I'm not gonna order from Amazon. I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can pick this up in hand at a store. What? Now, I used to be the guy that's all for, yo, let's go ahead and order. Amazon's gonna get you what you need, or these other stores gonna get you what you need for 2-day shipping. I now have PTSD to where I want it in hand. In hand. So I got the refund this morning. I ended up going to an actual shop. It's called Schindler's. It's in St. Louis, Missouri. So if you are out here in St. Louis, Missouri, go ahead and go to Schindler's. I am giving them a 10 out of 10. I came in there, I told them my issue. They were like, yo, we got you. We got the R7, just the body, for $200 off right now. So we can actually get you a deal more than what you were actually gonna pay for. And we're gonna throw in a battery for the same price that you were actually gonna pay for on Amazon. I said, load it up. So I got the EOS R7 in hand right now. The only issue is now I gotta sell this one. Or I might keep it as a B camera. Who knows? If you like this video, please leave a like, please leave a subscribe. Also hit that notification bell so you can be notified anytime I do the video just like this one. I'm talking really fast because I'm really excited. Alrighty guys, peace.